Hey folks, welcome you all to a new video. This is CA Ganesh Bharadwaj. So this is an announcement video regarding your September 24 RTP discussion for financial management. So a couple of weeks back, we did the RTP discussion for cost and management accounting, right? So now in this video, I'm going to announce the face-to-face free RTP discussion for, financial management. Right, so now this is going to happen on the 30th of August, right, which is on Friday. So today is 28th, basically day after tomorrow. I'm recording this video on the 28th, so day after tomorrow on the 30th of August, that is on Friday. So between 2 p.m. to 7 p.m, like for safer side, we've kept up to 7 p.m, max by 6 p.m, we will try to close it off, right? And the venue is going to be at A&M classes, right? So all this, the address has been mentioned here. So I just wanted to give you guys a few details regarding this. Now, basically in this face-to-face RTP discussion session, so what are the things we are going to cover? So now it is not just going to be blindly the RTP discussion like question answer. No, not like that. So before we pick every single question, so what we will do is I will be giving you a background of that particular chapter and a small synopsis, a small summary, the background concepts. I'll just brush it up, and then we will get into the respective question and we will be doing the solution together. So conceptually, it will all be done conceptually. It's not like I won't be reading the question and the solution just like that. No, right? So a chapter wise background and a summary will be given, right? And then we will be doing every single question in financial management area of your RTP, the September 2024 edition. Every single question will be done. And apart from that, I will also be sharing the FM preparation strategy, right, for the last 10 or 12 days, right, that is left over. So whatever it is, the time that is available, how to make the best use of the limited time, which are the areas that you need to prioritize on. So these are the things which I will be sharing. Are you clear with this? Right now, every attempt, right, RTP is a very important source of preparation, because from the RTP at times I've seen the questions are directly picked and they are being tested in the exam, right? And at times I've noticed, if not the same question, at least the concepts that get covered in the RTP are directly being picked and they are being tested in the respective exam. So please do not go to your exam hall without preparing from this RTP. So that's why we are having a free face-to-face interactive RTP discussion session, so that RTP is basically a very good way to touch upon all the chapters, because in RTP, as you guys are aware, every single chapter at least one question is available. So that's why I'm taking this RTP as the base to revise the entire syllabus. Of course not fully, but at least all the chapters. I'll be just giving some small background about the chapter. Then we will be picking that RTP's question. We will be doing the solution. This way, it's an easier way for us to, revise the all the chapters of your financial management subject. Are you clear with this? That is the big agenda. That is the main agenda behind this RTP discussion, right? So now it's absolutely free of cost. The registration is mandatory and the registration is limited to only 100 seats due to space constraints, right? So it is happening at A&M classes. It is in Nungambakkam, Chennai, right? So sir, how do we register? So in the description to this video, I'll be attaching a Google form. So all you need to do is just click on that Google form link. You need to just provide your name, mobile number, and your email ID, and that's about it, right? You're done. The registration is over. Nothing more that you need to do, right? So this is a very good way to revise the entire, all the chapters of your financial management subject. And the most important part is that I told you RTP is a very important source of preparation for you to sit in your exams. Are you clear with this, guys? Right? So as I just told you a couple of weeks back, we did the same for costing, and it was super effective. That was the feedback that we got from many students. So I hope that many students will turn up for this as well, for FM as well, just like how you guys came in for costing. And I want you all to benefit out of this particular RTP discussion. Fine. So that's it from my side for today, guys. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you all so much. Have a great day ahead.